Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bended hexagon. So turn the first block 2 times, like that, and hold it like this. Turn this block up, and then count 1, 2, and turn this block to the right, like that. Now turn this block twice. Yeah. Actually, no, sorry. Turn this block to this side, actually. So like here. And then count 1, 2, and then turn it twice. And then count one block and turn it twice. And then turn this block twice, no, turn this block down. And then turn this block to the left. And then turn this block 2 times, like this. Now turn this block up, and then turn this block to the right, and it won't quite line up. So then turn this black block 2 times, like that, and it still won't line up. And then turn this grey block down, and then everything should be good. 1 second. There you go, you have a bended hexagon, or a bent hexagon. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.